Bagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Starting guard number 7, Dane Nonato. To guard number 30, Sean Hell. At forward number 93, Ron Sharma. Also at forward number 1, Ace Baldomero. And at center number 13, Martin Mejia. The head coach of
Immediately attacking itong San Juan, Nonato connecting with Mejia.
Good high-low play. Mejia cutting baseline. Nonato with that pass.
On the other end, couldn't convert was Baldomino. As Baldomero naman attacks the rim. Make that 4-0 para San Juan. Not even 30 seconds gone by dito sa ating ballgame.
I was gonna say, that hot start, they're carrying it over.
Baldomero committing to the phenomenon, scoring on the other end and committing the foul, the mortal type. Fouling a jump shooter and a three-point shooter at that. Pag-i-adap mo na.
Patong-patong.
Patong na. Free throws para kay Hugan, knocking down the first. Has two more coming his way. He did speak about Coach Anton para dito sa Valenzuela. No? They could take a page out of their 14-under team.
14-under squad, that's correct.
Nike Manaloto and the rest of that Valenzuela squad who was able to make it kind of a
that Cinderella
scare.
Story ng
Scare
ating ng 14-under division natin.
3 out of 3 para kay Hugan. Nonato almost gets the ball stolen away. Tripped up. Foul called kontra Valenzuela.
You see Nonato telling his teammates, angat muna tayo ng konti para meron naman akong release because there's a trap waiting for me right there.
Still a 1-point lead para San Juan. Mejia. Hand off Nonato. Just 5 to shoot now. Howe gets the ball tapped from behind. Just a second to shoot. Makakaagaw si Hugan. Taking it all the way to the hoop. Napalakas lang on that attempt. Good hustle there. Getting another possession was Galguera. Cross-court pass to Hugan. To the corner they go. Baldomino finds the open teammate and the jumper will fall. Lead at para sa Valenzuela at 1. Bucket courtesy of Lawrence Rojas.
Good handoff to Rojas. Getting that mid-range jumper to fall. And those are the things that they're going to have to get used to. Those are the shot types that they'll be getting.
Sean Howe, specialty of the house.
Nice
How many
floppy,
times have we seen that?
floppy action being employed here by San Juan to get Sean Howe those open looks from deep.
Valenzuela, that's really a man that you need to mark. Sean Howe. Pinag-usapan nga natin kanina, Coach Anton. Game winner, exactly. That release, just textbook. Pagkaliwete din talaga.
Ganda eh, no?
And one back the lead. But answering once more is Lawrence Rojas. Back-to-back baskets para sa kanya. Ties us up at 7 apiece. That attempt para kay Howe will miss. Ball will stay though with San Juan as a loose ball foul committed here by Malyari.
Sean Howe, I believe, wearing those PJ Tuckers. Kobe 5 PJ Tuckers, if I'm not mistaken.
I mean, I would believe you. I know that you know your shoes. Mejia with a hook. That's another basket. 4 points early in this game para kay Mejia.
Easy does it. They're taking advantage of their height inside. Getting inside the paint was Mejia for that jump hook.
Galguera with a pull-up. So far, itong Valenzuela, their outside shots are falling.
Like what we mentioned, that is what's going to be available to them because of the height advantage that San Juan has inside. It's going to be difficult for them to get those points inside the paint.
Tied once again, this time at 9. Mejia, this time with a fall away. That short. Malyari with a board. Trying to get it ahead to Baldomino. Just couldn't catch it cleanly.
Puminbol sa paa niya. Kamay. And then going out of bounds sa ating sideline.
6:45 remaining dito sa ating first. Nonato, this time with a pull-up jumper from the baseline. That won't fall, but Sharma there for the cleanup job.
Ram with that offensive rebound. Nice stop-and-go action for the side of Makabagong San Juan Nonato.
Rojas. Another jumper. Maganda yung stroke dito ng Valenzuela to begin the game.
Again, that is what's going to be available to them. That mid-range jumper, packing it in the paint. Itong Makabagong San Juan.
Nonato! With a Dwayne-ish move. Rojas though immediately on the other end. Iniluwa lang.
The speed of Valenzuela beating all the players of San Juan down court.
They beat Sharma on the block. Able to find Martin Mejia for the easy bucket.
Nice cut to the basket. Nice find. You know, Ram Sharma. That's a facet of his game that he's improved on a lot. Being able to find his teammate, those cutting teammates, not forcing the issue.
Isang tangkad din naman ni Ram Sharma.
You have to. You have to be able to find your teammates. You have a nice see it there. Didn't force it. The double team came, gave it up to Mejia. Easy layup down the pipe.
Kick out. Malyari is open. Another jumper falling para sa Valenzuela. Sabi mo, pwede bibigay nyo. Wala namang problema eh. May shooting naman kami.
Ito na yun eh. And they're making the most out of those mid-range jumpers while it's early. Talking about Valenzuela.
Ugadan now in para sa San Juan. Nonato on the wing. Got a pick from Martin Mejia. Kick out. Gutierrez for a 3-ball. Just a tad short.
That was straight though from our vantage point.
Galguera with a step back. Just off. Takbo na naman dito ang San Juan. Ugadan. Presses on the brakes. Nonato will reset para sa San Juan. Ugadan thought about the 3. Gets the ball stolen away. Samalka. Leading to this 3. Matulis lang.
Nonato touched it last. Wasn't able to go and retrieve that leather.
Mejia and Nonato will take a seat. Sharma checking in once again para dito sa San Juan. Along with
Reroma.
Yep. Samalka gets hacked. Sean will commit his first third team foul para dito sa San Juan. Both teams have the same. Fresh 14 para dito sa Valenzuela Jets X Arrows. Down by 3 with 3:25 remaining here in the first. Good execution, di nga lang nahulog para kay Lago, but nevertheless, second chance point. Makukuha ni Galguera. That's the lead down to 1. Reroma now para sa San Juan. Stepping in. That's a soft touch.
That's a nice clear out. You've got Gutierrez and Sharma giving those seal screens at middle wide open for that drive for Sean.
They go back to Galguera. He's had a stroke in this game so far. That jumper though will rattle out. Ugadan streaking down court. Goes to Reroma. Balik kay Ugadan. They find How. A 3 on the way. That's short. Domino. Now Galguera. Call for a traveling violation. Good intent. Nga lang, medyo nagmadali.
Wanted to get to the attack zone, get to the cup, go downhill. You are going to get into foul trouble early.
This is Andre Ugadan. And if the name sounds familiar, I can't blame you.
Laman to ng Facebook feeds na ng ano natin eh.
Kasunod lang sila niyan, Ugadan, tas Charles Baitio.
Chog. Hindi,
Chog Moral.
Chog Moral muna. Tapos Charles Baitio.
Okay. My bad, Chog. Akin.
Galit si Chog sa'yo.
We will see Chog Moral tomorrow. Antipolo JY Titans, of course, part of the 18 under mix. Approaching the 2-minute mark dito sa ating first period. The defense of San Juan. Almost a steal. Good recovery para sa Valenzuela as Lago gets hit from behind.
This is gonna be on Gutierrez. Naiwan siya dun sa trapping defense. Di siya naka-recover kagad. But again, they are gonna be able to adjust on those shooters.
Speaking of shooters, La Rosa showing us the touch.
Corner 3. Knocking it down. That was off of a pass from Andre.
3 on the way, answering para sa Valenzuela. That was Reggie Amenim of our chapter number 2. Look at that feed. Malyari, hindi naman sinayang.
Alguera, Malyari inside. Just getting lost in the offense of Valenzuela. Itong makabagong San Juan.
First 2 points here in the second para sa Valenzuela. La Rosa. Now Fuentes. Strong on that attempt. Opportunity to trim this lead down to single digits para sa Jets X Arrows. It's Rojas. Now Galguera. The 7 to shoot now para sa Redshirts. Rojas trying to feed Malyari but stolen by Sharma. Goes to Ugadan in the corner. They find the open man. Another 3 won't fall. That was Douglas Tauber. Galguera to Rojas. He thought about the 3. As Galguera asked for the pick from Malyari. Apologies, it was Yutok who took that attempt kanina.
Foul off of that fast break. You'll see it there. No, not.
The Coach Anton, what would you say nagpo-favor yung mga ganitong klase ng speed of the ball game as we see Chandre Roma? Nababagalan ka ba?
No, you would say that it would favor Valenzuela, but again, the offense of San Juan, very methodical. Are able to dissect the defense of Valenzuela and get the position, get to where they want to get on the floor. So, I mean, we can call it, call a spade a spade. It's just San Juan right now, just too much firepower for Valenzuela at this point.
That 3-pointer by Roma earlier is the 7th here in the first half. Ugadan, face-up jumper contra Rojas. That's a part of his game, I would say, Coach Anton, na pag na-develop niya talaga consistently, deadly itong si Andre.
It's gonna be tough because how are you gonna stop him? You're gonna want to guard that drive because he gets high up, and then imagine developing that mid-range J for Andre. He's gonna be a problem for sure. More of a problem for sure.
As Roma commits a foul against the jump shooter once more. And Hugan, I think this is the second time in this game where he will be
fouled in the three-point
area. Exactly. Hit 3 in the first period. 2 out of 3 so far. 2 out of 3 pa din after that third free throw will miss. Lead at 14, 43 to 29. Ugadan. This time it's Galguera trying to defend him. A foul on the floor, says our officials, and that will be team foul number 4. No free throws just yet para sa San Juan.
Still in good shape, but Next foul would mean free throws, I believe. Yep. They're at the limit now.
Ugada na naman. I feel like they have the advantage kontra Rojas. That time, the jumper wouldn't fall. Babalik ang bola dito sa Valenzuela.
Box out. Great positioning, Lago. Not allowing that offensive board from San Juan.
Galguera. Gusto Hugan. Now Rojas nakatakas. The shot just short. Lago trying to keep it alive, but it falls on the hands of Ugadan. Baldomero. Great fake.
It's a smart move to get the defender up in the air.
Ugadan. Now how? He gets fouled. With
It's their
overzealous
turn.
there. Yeah, was Balagbis.
Trying to get that block on Sean.
Sean has 6 so far, made that 7. 2 3-pointers and that free throw.
In their game against Valenzuela, he scored 20 points. He was the leading scorer.
Second one won't fall. Ups the lead to 14 once again. Galguera outside Baldomino. Pinoy step, feeds sa Lago. Hindi nga lang matatapos. Sorry, miss there para kay Lago. However, he will be awarded 2 free throws.
He was able to get the offensive rebound. First miss and then got that board. Getting fouled on that putback, but a nice drive to the basket with the Pinoy step and then Lago diving. Teammate dishing it off.
That miss will make it 11 of 16 from the line so far para sa Jets Exaros. Couple of misses. That will hurt para sa Valenzuela. Howe. The runner. Off the glass. Sean Howe showing us the touch.
Can't get it from outside. I'm going to take it inside. That time, Sean Howe made sure he was going to get that bucket.
A bit ironic as Lago hit from the free throw area after missing 2. Gusto niya kasing tumatalon.
Oh, gusto niya yung may buwelo siya.
Final 35 seconds dito sa ating second. Baldomero may ipit. Sila able to find Ugadan for the reverse.
Ugadan. How about, you see the athleticism that he has. He's just making it look easy at this point.
Easy peasy. 16 now. Kalamangan dito ng Mighty Warriors. Baldomino though will get his first points of the game. Cuts the lead down to 13 once more. Mas makabagong San Juan will call for some time, trying to draw something up. 0.4 seconds remaining. Take another look at that three-pointer.
Wide open. Top of the key. All net for Baldomino.
Started yet. Nonato handing it off to Andre. Kick it out to Howe for 3. And knocks it down. That familiar spot para kay Sean Howe. 3 3-pointers. Here in the first half.
Coincidentally, it was Andre Ugadan who gave up that pass for that winning bucket last time. Cap things off. A three-pointer courtesy of that assist from Andre Ugadan.
Sweet-looking stroke from Sean Howe to close out. An excellent first half here para sa second seed makabagong San Juan, and they will take with them Baldomino finding an opening. Nice dish to Malyari for the finish.
And that's how you want to attack at Baldomino, giving it up to Malyari down that baseline. Point-blank shot.
First 2 of our second half, makukuha ng Valenzuela. Nonato goes to Sean for 3. Another one para kay Howe. Make that 4 in the ball game and a total of 15 now.
Ganda palitan as a two-pointer by Malyari, but a three-pointer for Sean.
Babawi ba si Baldomino? Not just yet. Sharma stretches for that board. Ugadan, be too much mustard. Kita mo, napakahamot na nandito si Andre.
Always there. You're gonna see that three-pointer. Look at that, Sean Howe, even with a hand in his face, still.
Under goal, scoop won't work, but Ram Sharma, another putback. Just has had that nose for the ball, Coach Anton.
And plus the rebounding, it's just something that he is taking advantage of, his height and his athleticism against this Valenzuela squad.
Lead at 17, 58 to 41. Galguera. Nothing but the board. Ugadan, another rebound.
You know, something I noticed about Andre Ugadan, if there's like a double coming, tas pag nawala, hindi siya nagmamadaling bitawan. Pag wala na yung double, I'm gonna go one-on-one. And that's what you see from Andre. That's a player that doesn't panic, a player that doesn't, that shies away from that pressure of having that ball in his hand.
Nag-iisip din talaga.
That's the second time I've seen him na may double, pero titignan niya, kung mag-isa ka lang, dadaling ko to. The same way when it was in that first half, he was there. There was a double, there was a trap. Pero nung nagsag, he went one-on-one. Kaya hindi siya nagmamadaling bitawan yung bola. Titignan ko muna, ano ba mangyayari dito? Magko-commit ba tong trap, tong double? Or are you gonna sag off and go one-on-one?
That was Hugan earlier, completing the three-point play. Has played well para sa Valenzuela. It's the first player in double digits for their team. Sharma na naman scores under
Hugan knocking down that three ball.
Sidestep maneuver para kay Nonato. But the level of difficulty of shots nito ni Dwayne.
Hindi naman siguro.
Kaya naman siguro.
Marami naman.
I'm just checking if you would give me, some confidence. And speaking of confidence, Ram Sharma to his strong side.
Nice time attacking the...
Jumper will fall para kay Rojas. I like the attitude nito ni Rojas. No? Pinupuntahan man yung San Juan trying to punish him for the mismatches. No? Pero sumasagot din siya dito sa kabila.
Atake din ako. Opensa din ako. Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo.
Jared Gutierrez.
Easy.
There's so many weapons like you said, Coach Anton. Right? Just parang left and right. It's name after name after name that we mentioned para dito sa San Juan. As Rojas scores on another. But this is not something that you wanna do if ikaw naman ang Valenzuela, Coach Anton. Sagutan lang. Wala namang problema if ikaw ang San Juan.
That's what you want. If you want offense versus offense, we're willing to engage in a shootout. Whether it be in the inside or the outside.
Mejia again against Rojas. Just... Kung ikaw si Martin Mejia, I really don't mind. Balikan at balikan niyo lang ako.
Pagod lang ang katapat ko dito. As Martin Mejia is taking advantage of his height against Lawrence Rojas.
Lago, one-hander, short. Maybe baby that one. Hugan though, able to get another opportunity para sa Valenzuela. Pulls up from the baseline, malakas. They get it ahead to Howe. Another runner. Another bucket. Para kay Sean. Make that 17 now in this game.
Yes, I would say. Here's that shot by Sean Howe. I can also shoot that.
Martin Mejia with a turnaround. He's getting himself going.
Like what we talked about, pagod lang ang katapat ni Martin sa larong to.
20 na ang abante dito ng San Juan, 75 to 55. 2.5 to play here in the third. Lago. Trying to make Mejia work. Kick out. Malyari misfires. Hindi ka na namang makakuha ng offensive rebound si Hugan. Just losing the leather back to makabagong San Juan. San Juan really has this kind of tendency na dahan-dahanin ka niya. Was this an 8-point lead at the end of the first? Beat you by 8 in the second. Make that 16. And next thing you know, ang laki na nung agwat eh.
Here in the third, they're just running away with it, 24 to 18 so far. That's the kind of run, but get the point, that quick spin move against Lago going baseline. Kasi fooled Lago went baseline, hindi na nakahabol doon.
May counter eh. No? Akala mo lang, pupunta ako sa gitna.
Oo.
Showing us the stroke from the stripe as well.
Soft
Muntikan.
Soft touch.
Wala na eh, nabitawan ko na eh.
Wala nang bawi.
Oo eh.
Touch move.
Aha.
Parang chess.
Dahil dyan, iupo ka muna.
Ay nga, pagod nga lang
Pagod nga lang.
Kalaban ni Martin.
A total of 14 para kay Martin Mejia. Malyari, high off the glass, won't work. Barrion, first time in this ball game. Gets his first board. Gutierrez. That burst of speed. Just couldn't hit. Samalka. This is Amenin. Approaching the final 60 seconds. Here in chapter number 3. The pass. Almost stolen. But instead a foul will be called against La Rosa.
Si Brandon Utok getting a hand on that passing lane, but the recovery by Valenzuela.
Not yet in the penalty are both these teams. Each has 3. Galguera. Lost the leather. The jumper. Or the pass. Finding an opening. Kicking it out. The second remaining. Might not count. Our officials asking for that Bapi Tibu. I mean, the basket did convert.
But there's going to be a review by our official monitor.
1080p.
High def. Kitang-kita yung pores.
Uh-huh. That's close.
That's close. That is close indeed.
Session to move on to our North Division semifinals, but Valenzuela trying to make that a comeback. And what better way to start with a 3-pointer to begin the fourth, courtesy of Ichi Samalka.
Let's see if they're going to be able to mount a comeback, try to keep this game interesting.